Good morning, everybody. I have a Dollar Tree and a Dollar General haul, and I won't be able to get out but maybe once more before my surgery, if that. But I wanted to show you what I got. Let's start here with the Dollar General. I got these here for 10 cents. I got a 2-pack of these for 75. I got some gourds. I got this for $1.50, and those are scented candles. I got this for $2. It's an aromatic mini planner diffuser, and it comes with an essential oil, vanilla. And look at these little bunnies. These are coming for an upcoming project. I got 4 of them, and there's the other 2. And these cute little eggs. These are an upcoming project. And look at the little bunny ears. That's an upcoming project. And the construction paper is an upcoming project. So that's all I got at the Dollar General. So I got some good deals. Anything that has the purple right now is 50% off. And anything that was Valentine's related is 90% off. And anything winter was 75% off. So I ended up paying 75 cents for these, which is pretty darn good. These are my favorite color. Those will look nice in the hospital. So anyways, let's hop on to the Dollar Tree here. Upcoming projects. I got these packages of carrots. You get 4. Upcoming projects, drinking glass, bowls, and plate. Upcoming project. I have never seen these applications. You get 20 of them for your eye makeup. I'm always using that. Ray saw this and it was marked down to 50 cents, so he said he's got to have it. This is an upcoming project. Aren't these beautiful? They're lilacs, and they really look so good for the Dollar Tree. Absolutely. And I got this, I'm not sure, I think I know, but it could be an upcoming project or mixed in with a project. This is all an upcoming project, and I've never seen these. Moss stones, but that's an upcoming project. My little chicken that hops, upcoming project. My little bunny, upcoming project. And you know something about this bling bling? This is funny. I said, hey Ray, he was an aisle over from me. I said, hey Ray, I need to get some bling bling. And we were in the big city. And there happened to be someone that recognized my voice, so they came and found me. It was my best friend's son. He's like, I heard you say bling bling, so I had to come find you. So I got some gold, and I got some fuchsia pink pearls, and I got some like teal pearls. So that will be used in an upcoming project. Some index cards, which I will use for my pocket letters, upcoming project. They're lined, but if you turn them over, they're solid, so that gives you some pretty solid colors. And you do is you cut them in half, and it's just about the size you need, a little waist. I got these Whack-A-Packs, Easter Whack-A-Packs. I got some gingerbread ones at Christmas time. And I got some batteries for my candle. And we got some more beautiful eggs. These ones have got a color around the middle. These ones are solid. And these ones are real sparkly. This is an upcoming project. I got this so when I'm in the hospital, my lips always get dry. This here is for my pocket letters. Aren't those pretty? And look at the spring one with a bicycle. And I like that. These are beautiful. And look at this one with a watering can, and it says Flower Shop Pot Planner. That one's really nice. And then I got a moss sheet to go in my fairy. I got a cage, bird cage, and I got a bunch of fairies in it, but I got this kind of moss, reindeer moss, and it goes all over. So I'm going to switch it out for the sheet moss. And then look at this cute, it says, "Some bunny loves you." Isn't that cute? This came off. This came off. I just got to glue it. So that's my haul from the Dollar Tree and the Dollar General. So if you like this video, please give me thumbs up, because you never know what's going to be on my videos. And you can find me on Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest. And like I always say, you never know what's going to be on my videos. God bless. We'll see you tomorrow. And where am I? Bye now.